Yogi Clan, what's up, y'all? Good morning. Welcome back this Saturday morning. I am heading to Iron Saturday. I figured, hey, I hadn't done a motovlog in a long time. Let me just talk about life and what's going on. What's up? It has been, we're all extremely busy, right? We all are extremely busy. But last weekend it was raining on Saturday, and you know what? I took Saturday to lay in bed and just do nothing all day, and it was beautiful last weekend. But today it's Saturday again, and I don't have time to do nothing. I paid for it last Saturday because last Sunday I wound up mowing the lawn, changing the oil in my truck, changing the oil in my wife's car, putting brakes on my wife's car, and just doing a whole bunch of stuff on Sunday because I got lazy on Saturday. But you know what? Sometimes you need a break like that, right? Sometimes you just need some downtime just to recharge the batteries, collect yourself, and get it all back together, don't you? I know I do. So this weekend, what's up this weekend? So Iron Saturday today, which I am stoked about, excited for. And then I got a handlebar job to do today on a Springer. Probably not going to record that. As far as how-to on handlebar jobs, I've done a couple of those. But I have a handlebar job to do this weekend and a handlebar job to do next weekend. I have a bathroom I need to paint and a deck I need to finish. And then beginning of October is the Dragon Run. And then the end of September is our club's National Run. And I heard they closed Thunder Beach. It's not going to happen this year, which kind of stinks because that's where our national run is down in that area. So I'm hoping they don't give us a lot of grief if we are still down in that area. So yeah, 2 more runs left for this year. Actually 3. There's one down in Cottontown. I believe it's the Sugar High Run. It's either a Sugar High Run or a Knuckle Run. I think it's a Sugar High Run. I do plan on going down to that for the day. That's home of Retro with Retro's Rants and Raves. Check out his channel. He's coming up on 1,000 subs. He's getting there fast. He puts out some really quality videos. He spends a whole lot more time editing than I do, which I just don't have time. He says his goal and ambition is, I think, 1 a week, he said yesterday, 1 every 2 weeks. I'm still trying to pump out 2 per week. It's been hard these past couple weeks. If you've noticed, I've only put out 1 a week, but I do have a few videos that are set and ready to be recorded. Oh, hey, Amber and her husband have a yard sale. Cool. So it's been hard trying to maintain this 2 a week pace, especially with work, because I have a couple really big projects going on at work, and they're taking a lot of my time. Plus, we've had a lot of family stuff going on. Let me get some fuel. I'll be right back. So yeah, there's been a lot on Yogi's plate lately, and I wouldn't call it stressed, I would call it blessed. You know, there's just been so many things going on and on the plate that it's hard to keep up with sometimes. But I will say I'm stressed because I'm blessed. So I won't call it stress, we'll just call it blessed. But yeah, lots of good stuff. What else is going on? So my oldest kiddo, well, not my oldest kiddo, my oldest daughter, oldest biological daughter, who's a senior in college this year, just got offered a job with Amazon, which she's pretty stoked about. You know, she hasn't graduated yet and already has a job locked in. So I am really excited for her. She's going to be a manager over at Amazon. So congrats to Skylar for hooking that up before you even graduate. And it's got a respectable salary too. For an entry-level position, yeah, she's gonna be doing okay. Now, I did warn her, you may be working late nights, you know, third shift, you may be working overnight. I think they work 4 10-hour days. She's a manager. She's going to be managing like the delivery personnel, the people who come and bring you your stuff. So she's pretty excited about that, for the opportunity. I think she's a little nervous about it. But you know, she's got like 6 years of management experience at Chick-fil-A, so it's not that she hasn't had to deal with personnel drama before, but that's mainly what she's going to be dealing with in this job. So many blessings to her, luck to her. I hope it's something. And the best thing about it is she's going to school in Virginia. She applied up in Virginia, but it's right here in Charlotte that she's going to be working. So that is pretty cool. My little girlie will be nearby. What else? So we also, in other news, there is a coffee shop in Wilmington, North Carolina. It is called Biddy and Bo's. The original shop is in Wilmington. I think they also have a secondary store in Charleston. They are looking to open up their stores for franchises, and we put in an application to become a franchise. But I don't have quite the net worth that they are looking for. So the requirements that they have, you pretty much need to be a rich person to be able to open a franchise. So that pretty much eliminates Yogi. But here's why I did it. This is the reason why. And I was hoping the why would overcome the financial, or we could figure the financial out in some method. Biddy and Bo's, they only employ people with special needs. Now, if you follow my channel at all, which reminds me, if you don't follow my channel, why not? Hit that subscribe button. Give me some love. Stay on. I do everything here motorcycle related and everything Yogi related. It's my channel, you know. But they employ people with special needs, and if you follow my channel, you will see that we have multiple children with special needs. Yes, we've adopted 11 kiddos, and we have 4 biological kiddos for a total of 15. And I don't know the exact, I would say, you know, I did the math yesterday, I think at least 6 of those are special needs. With everything from Down syndrome to fetal alcohol syndrome to epilepsy to HIV. If you consider I don't know if you consider HIV special needs, but you know, it's a need. You know what I mean? I don't know if you'd really call it special needs. But it's still somebody who needs care, you know? So I would count her in that loop. Low IQ, deafness, being deaf, having cochlear implants. You know, we have multiple kids who have multiple challenges, and they employ people who have special needs. So that is something that is very near and dear to our heart. So my daughter goes to school in Wilmington, so whenever we take her down there to school or go down to visit, we always make it a special point to stop by Biddy and Bo's and support them because of what they do to support the community of people with special needs. So we applied for a franchise to open it up here in Charlotte. I think that I think it would do well here in Charlotte, and there's definitely a community of people that it could employ and empower. So I was, you know, pretty excited about that opportunity. You know, we submitted it probably, I don't know, 3-4 weeks ago. I hadn't heard anything. So I don't know, who knows? Maybe they're flooded with applications. Maybe there's somebody with a whole lot better financial statistics than what I have, which if that's the case, that's fine, you know. But I was really hoping, hey, you know, maybe they give us an opportunity and I could get some investors to help us get this open. I would not quit my day job, but it's something that my wife and my daughter, who's graduating, the one who just got the job from Amazon, had she not gotten the job from Amazon, or even if she does get the job from Amazon, you know, with 6 years Chick-fil-A experience, it would not be hard for her to transition over to managing a coffee shop. That would not be a problem. With both her and my wife doing that, that could be something, and you know, that would give a place for our 3 little kids to work. That would give them employment, that would get them involved in the community. you know, I know that they would totally dig that. So really, I went after this opportunity more because it is something that's just so special to our family, you know. So who knows? If you know the owners from Biddy and Bose, put a plug in for Yogi, will you? Say, hey, these people, they may not fit your financial criteria, but let me tell you, they will represent you and your brand probably better than anybody else could, just because of their family situation and the love that they have in their heart. So who knows what doors the Lord will open, and when he does, I'll walk through them. And if not, he says, nope, that's not the door for you, then fine, carry on, we'll find a different door, right? So that's kind of what's going on in life. Got some trips going on. Mama Yogi is hopefully going to roll with me to the Dragon. Mama Yogi's hopefully going to roll with me to Nationals. So I'm kind of excited about spending some time with her on the motorcycle, hopefully. Putting some miles in and enjoying a beautiful day like today, because it is 62 degrees right now at 8 o'clock in the morning, 7:58. It is beautiful. Fall is just about here, and I'm getting so very excited. Soon the leaves will be changing. Another couple weeks. Can you believe September's almost half over? Well, it is half over. I saw a thing, my wife saw a thing the other day, like 90 some days till Christmas. So if you haven't seen that, just know there are 90, maybe even less now by the time this video gets out. Maybe in the high 80s. Days until Christmas. And yeah, some stores are already playing Christmas music and have their Christmas displays already set up. Isn't that ridiculous? Well, that's all I had, Yogi Clan. I'm just kind of rambling now. I hope you have an awesome weekend. I appreciate you watching, appreciate you subscribing and tuning in. And you know, if there's anything y'all need, hit me up. I've had a few people reach out to me lately and give me some good ideas for some videos. So Instagram link is at the end of this video. Facebook link is at the end of this video. Find my pages, shoot me a message. Let me know some content you want, or ask me questions. I had a subscriber who was brand new reach out and ask me about a oil catch can. And I have a setup on the Fat Boy that I looked at doing an oil catch can, and I might do a video about that really soon. Like, I might even record that this week if I get a moment. So stay tuned, more good content's coming. Yes, I know I said I was taking a break from fixing bikes, and I'm kind of am going to do that after I get these 2 handlebar jobs so I can get some work done around the home. But the channel is not going to stop. There just may be more Yogi related content than there is motorcycle related content for a couple weeks. Yeah, that's okay. Love you guys. I will catch you soon. Have an awesome and blessed week or weekend whenever you're watching this. All right, y'all. Peace.